YouTube, Eric DIY with another instructional video for you. Today we're going to learn how to swap out one of these, and that is a chairlift gas cylinder. On this gaming chair that I've had it for about 1.5 years, and the cylinder, you know, it works, but when I sit on it sometimes it slowly just inches its way down, so it's on its way out and I want to have full functionality. So the first step we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take off the cylinder, and I'll show you how to do that next. So the chairlift gas cylinder is this part. It's hooked onto this. It's hooked onto this, but really it's just been in there a long time, so it's really wedged in there. So you're going to take a rubber mallet or some type of hammer. You can wrap the hammer in like a moving blanket or something if it's not a rubber one. But you're just going to knock out one leg until it comes off the cylinder. So let's try to brace ourselves here. Oh, well, it knocked that part out. So I got it out of the chair right here. And you can see it's pretty rusty. It's pretty used. I thought this might last longer than 1.5 years, but I didn't buy top of the line here for a gaming chair. I mean, it definitely works for me. It's a good job. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bang right on the cylinder to get this out and loose. What we're going to do, seeing I have wooden floors here, so I'm probably going to put some underneath it so that way when it falls out, it doesn't put a ding in the floor. I came out here because it's just a little bit more space than the room I was in. So what you do, you take the metal hammer, you hit right on the bottom here. Don't worry if you're gonna do that, but it pops right out after a while. It takes a couple good hits. I recommend the metal hammer. If you use a rubber hammer, it actually was indenting on the rubber hammer and it wasn't moving anywhere. So use the metal one. On the left is the new one. On the right is the old one. I can tell it by the rust. And also notice that, yeah, they're not exactly like matching, but they're the same width on the top there, so they're gonna fit. And on the new one, which is this one, you have to know that before you install it into the seat, you gotta take this cap off. So we're gonna put this part of it back into the base after I put all the wheels on, and then we'll put the top part, we'll take this cover off, and we'll put the top part back in the chair, and we should be all set. I put all the wheels back in the base. I'm gonna take the new one, not taking the cap off yet, but we're gonna put the bottom of it right in the middle and let it seat right there. You don't have to hammer it or anything. It will basically fit itself once you put your weight on the chair. And the next step is to take the protective cap off of the new one. I'm just gonna rock it back and forth so it pops off, just like that. And the white thing is what you want. You don't want to push that or anything, because that's gonna go into the chair next. Okay, final step is to take the top of our chair. Be very careful here. You're gonna let it to the bottom, put the bottom of this, and you're just gonna put it right in the hole where the original one came from. Lining up the hole, the top of the gas cylinder. We're just gonna place it down. There we go, it's on there. So once you have the cylinder on there, you can get off the chair and test it. You guys make sure the lever's unlocked by pushing it all the way to the side, and this push should go all the way up. At your maximum height. That's actually higher than the old one. Don't mind that at all. It's just a little bit more adjustment. Now, to make it go down, you sit on it and just hold the lever. Again, make sure it's out so it's unlocked. Push it down. There you go. This one's supposed to support up to 450 pounds, so it's actually an upgrade over the old one. I think the old one was only supposed to support 250 pounds. And that is how you replace a gaming or office chair gas cylinder. If you want to know the part that I used to replace the gas cylinder with, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you purchase it through Amazon where I send you, then you'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button. And while you're there, please push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY videos. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.